Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about boosting your website's SEO, you probably heard about Rank Math SEO plugin, one of the most popular and user-friendly SEO plugin for WordPress. But with the all different plans they offer, it can get little confusing try to figure out which plan is right for you. Today in this video, I will show you Rank Math Pro Business and Agency plan, and I will show you the feature of each so you can make an informed decision on which plan is best suited for you. So let's get start this video, and this is our Rank Math SEO plugin website, and we will click here SEO plugin pricing. Click on it, and we have different plans here. We have a agency plan, business and pro plan. Agency plan is perfect for agency owner. This plan is best for the freelancer or business agency people who serve their client's website, and they can support up to 750 clients website with the agency plan. And other hand, in the business plan, they will able to support up to 200 clients website for their SEO. In the pro plan, you will have access unlimited personal website. So clients website are excluded from the pro plan. And then we have a track 75,000 keyword. You will able to track up to 75,000 keyword and monitor their performance on your website. And I will also show you live how you can check or track these keywords. Then we have tracked keyword up to 20,000 keyword in business plan, and then we have track up to 1,000 keyword in pro plan. So let me bring you to my website here. So in the website, this is our Rank Math SEO dashboard. Make sure you already set up your Rank Math SEO plugin, as I have a pro plan here, and I will first click on dashboard. In the dashboard, you will look for different modules we have. So we will enable our analytic module here. Make sure it's enabled here and click on setting, where you have to select your search console and analytic account here. You can simply connect from connect or reconnect here, and you have to choose your website here. And then we will just refresh our WordPress dashboard, and then we will see new option here, analytics. Click on analytics. When you scroll down, you have keywords, all keyword, tracked keyword, top 5, winning post, and you have an option for the keywords, where you can track up to 75,000 keyword if you choose agency plan, if business up to 20,000 keyword. And this is really nice thing. When you track your keywords, you will able to create more content, similar content on based on these keywords, so that will help you in SEO for your website. Let's go to next one. We have a powerful Sigma generator, and you will get this option in all those plans in agency, business and pro plan. What is a powerful Sigma generator? Choose the list of pre-built Sigma type to create your own. Create template, avoid. Even you can create your own template, Sigma templates. So let me show you this feature here. Let me click on dashboard. First, you have to make sure Sigma module is enabled here. So after Sigma module is enabled, let me give you an example of one of my website page here. Let me go to any page. Let me go to my front page, click edit, where I will show you the pre-built Sigmas, how you can implement it. Then hover your mouse to Rank Math plugin section here. You will see two options here, content AI and Rank Math. You have to click Rank Math side, and downside you will see Rank Math options, general, and then we have advanced, and then you will get option Sigma. If I click on Sigma generator, and you have a pre-built Sigma, multiple types of Sigma which you can use for your website. Even you can click, if you click on import, you will able to import Sigma from another website from URL. You can use HTML code, JSON LD, custom code, and you will able to generate those Sigmas. And then once your Sigma is used here, Sigma in use, when you click edit, just do your best setting here, and also you can save as template option here. So this is, you can use different types of Sigma if you choose if you choose any of those plans, agency, business or pro plan. Next, we have a free AI content AI trial credits, which is nice thing. In the agency plan, you will get up to 45,000 credit. In the business plan, you will get up to 18,000 credit. In the pro plan, you will get up to 7,500 credits. Those credits you can use in content AI to create content for your website. So let me bring you again to the dashboard and click on Rank Math SEO. Go to dashboard. Make sure content AI is enabled here. And then go to content AI option. Make sure you already set up your account before you use content AI. You have to link your account once you purchase any of these plans. So let me go to my account. In the my account, you will have option subscriptions. Under the subscription, you will see option here content AI subscription, and you will also able to check your websites in the websites option which websites are linked here. But if not, you can also see here option tracked keyword. I have 1000 tracked keyword, only 58 I used. And then content AI credit, I have used credit, and I have a monthly credit and credit reset on. This is a nice feature. You must have to try this out. So after you enable this module content AI, then you have to go to content AI option here. We have different tabs here. SEO. If you need help with SEO, you can use this tool. If you click on blog, you can write blog or post outline, blog post idea if you not yet have any idea to write blog post on. And then we have a marketing and sale, Facebook post, tweet, and Instagram caption, email, and e-commerce. We have a product feature, product cons and pros, a lot more features here. And even in the misannounced, you can try out sentence expander, text summarizer, fixed grammar, and we have a more. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have 24 and 7 priority support in all these plans. You will get support from Rank Math if you have any question, or if you want to fix any issues. They are available 24 and 7. The agency plan you will able to renew at 59.99 per month plus taxes. Business plan 24.99 per month plus taxes, and pro plan only 7.99 per month. So if I scroll down, we have here explanation, one plugin to rule them all. So you don't need to purchase every separate plugin to apply different functionality for the SEO. You don't need to purchase a separate news sitemap or add-ons. If you use any other SEO plugins in the add-ons, you will able to purchase those. But in Rank Math, you will get all these features in Rank Math Pro plans in different agency or business plans. So it will save a lot of your money. Then you can also further check for the compare free and premium plan here downside and which feature you will get. Make sure you look for these new feature launched, and you will able to support for clients website, which is nice thing. New feature launch, free content AI, which I already explained, tracked keyword in the pro plan. As I already have 1000, as I already show you, I have left a lot of tracked keyword. But in the business or agency plan, you will get way more tracked keyword options. Now let's talk about which plan you should buy. If you have a business or you are running an agency, you have a clients, then I will recommend you must go with agency or business plan. As you can see, business plan here is most popular. If you click link in description, you will also get extra discount. But if you are individual blogger or you have your own websites, personal websites, then you have to go with pro plan. In the pro plan, you will able to access Rank Math Pro on unlimited personal website, which is nice thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.